Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to continue with the second unit of Basic Electronics, that is application of diode. So in this video, we will study about clippers and clampers. So first, let's see what is clipper. The clipping circuits using diodes have the ability to clip off or remove a portion of the input signal without distorting the remaining part of the waveform. The diode clipper circuit can be the following types. First is series clipper and parallel clipper. Series clipper, in this configuration, the diode is connected in series with the load, and in parallel clipper, the diode is connected parallel to the load. Now clamper, the clampers are used to clamp the input signal to the different DC level. A clamping circuit is made from the capacitor, resistor, diode and sometimes an additional DC source. First we will see series clipper circuit. The series clipper circuit again classified into two types. First is series negative clipper and series positive clipper. Now this is a diagram for series negative clipper. In this diagram you can see here, in negative clipper one diode is used and resistor is used. This is the input waveform of the negative clipper and this is the output waveform of the negative clipper. On the output side you can see here, the negative part of the waveform will be clipped off. So it is called as series negative clipper. The above figure shows the series of negative clipper with their output waveform. Considered as an ideal diode in this configuration, this clipper is called series negative clipper as it clip off the negative half cycle of the applied voltage. Operation during the positive half cycle, the diode, considered as an ideal diode, appears in the forward bias. It acts as a closed switch and conducts such that the entire positive half cycle of input appears across the load resistor. The load voltage is therefore equal to the input voltage in the positive half cycle. During the negative half cycle, the diode is at reverse bias and acts as an open switch. No output appears across the resistor. Thus, it clips the negative half cycle of the input waveform and therefore it is called a series of negative clipper. Now, series of positive clipper. By reversing the direction of diode, the series positive clipper circuit is obtained as shown in figure. The operation is that during the positive half cycle, the diode becomes reversed bias and no output is generated across the resistor, and during the negative half cycle the diode becomes forward biased and conducts the entire input appears as output across the resistor. Thus it clip off the positive half cycle of input waveform and therefore it is called as a series positive clipper. Now next is a parallel clipper circuit. The parallel clipper circuit again classified into two types, parallel negative clipper and parallel positive clipper. First we will see parallel positive clipper. So this is the circuit diagram for parallel positive clipper. In the parallel clipper circuit, the clipping diode is connected in the branch which is parallel to the load as shown in figure. The diode is assumed to be an ideal one. Resistor R controls the current flowing through the diode T. Operation of the sinusoidal input voltage. First, operation in the positive half cycle. In the positive half cycle of the input voltage, diode T is forward biased and therefore conducts in positive half cycle. The output voltage will therefore be 0 in the positive half cycle of the input voltage as shown in figure. The positive half cycle is thus clipped off. Second, Operation in the negative half cycle. In the negative half cycle, the diode does not conduct and therefore it will act as an open switch. The load voltage is equal to the instantaneous input voltage as shown in figure. Thus, the negative half cycle appears as it is across the load. As the positive half cycle is clipped off, this circuit is called as parallel positive clipper. Next, parallel negative clipper. A clipper circuit in which the diode is connected in shunt to the input signal and that attenuates the negative portion of the waveform is termed as a negative shunt clipper. The figure represents the circuit diagram for negative shunt clipper. In this diagram, you can see here the diode is connected parallel to the input voltage. Positive cycle of the input. When the input voltage is applied, the positive cycle of the input makes the point A in the circuit positive with respect to point B. This makes the diode reverse bias and hence behaves like an open switch. Thus, voltage across the load resistor equal the applied input voltage as it completely appears at the output V0. Negative cycle of the input. The negative cycle of the input makes the point A in the circuit negative with respect to point B. This makes the diode forward biased and hence it conducts like a closed switch. Thus, the voltage across the load resistor becomes 0 as no current flows through it. So, this is the diagram and input-output waveform for parallel negative clipper. Thank you.